All right. What is up, everybody? We are live out here in beautiful Orlando, and we are at the TSA Industrial Drone Competition in partnership with Lumenier. And these kids in here are doing some insane stuff. Basically, they have to build and program their own drones. They're using the Pixhawk system rather, and they are using the Lumenier Defender drones, which are basically like just a standard X frame. Got two big plates on it, like that butter quad that was out before. There's a carbon fiber prop guard on her, keep her nice and safe. And it's got optical flow, GPS, all that kind of fun stuff, and they programmed it themselves. And the idea today was that they're doing a Fukushima cleanup kind of simulation. Basically, they design these drones to have a little thing to pick something up. They can carry some weight, and they pick up objects, and then they put it into a bin. GetFPV, doing amazing, bro. Good to see you. Thanks for joining. Let's go in and see what these guys are up to in here. And sorry in advance if the stream isn't that great in here. These guys were really not letting anybody get on their Wi-Fi, and it was funny. So we'll see what's going on in here. Let's go find some people. Let's go find some people. Just wrapping up, but we're gonna get somebody to fly and kind of do a demo real quick. Just have fun with it. So you see here through the course. There's Mr. Jacoby there over there of the Northport. Nobody's flying, right?
Not yet.
All right. So they're gonna reset the course real quick, but you guys know. There it is. So you see, nuclear reactor rod, bam. So they pick them up from there with the quad or the damaged robot. The gold bars. And then they pick it up with the quad and bring it right back here to the hazmat truck. And also they get points if they can knock the door shut when it's done. So let's step on out and see what we got going on, guys. And let's jump on in here with Mr. Jacoby.
Hello.
There he is. Tell us a little bit about yourself, your school, and what you guys are doing here.
I'm Ken Jacoby from Northport High School in Sarasota County, and I teach engineering. And we want to incorporate drones into our program. Yes. We see it as a great career path for students. And our first venture into this is trying to help create this new event for TSA here at the Florida State Conference.
That's it. And so right there we go. So the first land back on that's 5 points, right?
I have to go out and capture the different rings, the radioactive rods, and bring them back to the decontamination truck.
Boom.
The red rings are 5 points. The blue, 10 points. The blue are 20 points. And all the way in the back, which you can't see,
the gold rods
are
back
the gold
here.
rods for 50.
Boom. They're 30.
30.
30 for those. And then the broken down robot that I showed you guys a minute ago is the big 5-0. That's the big 50 points. And so far we've seen one drone be able to pick it up, but that one was using a little bit different software than the rest of them. So they might, technically it counts, but we're looking more for the Defender drones.
We had a great first day at the pilot. We've learned a lot. We've watched how the teams have looked at the course, how they're interacting. We definitely have a few little changes to make to try to improve it, but for overall, this is a great event. The kids loved it. We got a lot of people coming in and looking at it.
Yeah.
So we hopefully will see this in the future at the National TSA conference.
I think that, this one was put together very well. It's running almost flawlessly. Like, drones are going to be drones. They're going to have some ghosts in the machine somewhere, and stuff doesn't always work right, but that's why we're all here.
And we're actually now talking about setting up a league for the rest of the year, so that way we can keep the kids going, learn more, get more practice, help get other schools and teams involved, and share the knowledge that we're learning here with them, and hopefully try to get all the schools in the neighboring counties involved.
That's awesome, man. Thank you so much. Like, it's just awesome seeing like the next generations coming up and being already so immersed in all this awesome tech and putting it to real practical uses, guys. I mean, this is supposed to simulate Fukushima, and nobody's. So the only really thing you can do is unmanned.
They're learning so much with the drones, learning all the different components on it, how they interact together, programming, electronics. The competitions.
Nice.
So we'll have that to share with everybody as well.
Good. I think just keeping all the content going is going to be what's really going to push all this forward. And
we need to push it on to the nationals.
yeah, it's going to be a thing.
Pretty cool to say that we were in the first year of drones. Pretty cool to say.
That's right.
Still got a nice ring to it.
You guys are literally the catalyst, and we're just going to watch this little Mavic right now. But there she goes. So Mavic's just going to do a little fly around. We all know what that one does.
We've all flown this one.
Yeah, that's the fun one. You want to talk to the camera a little bit?
That's fine.
So introduce yourself. Tell us how it went.
Hi, my name's Tate Cawthon. I'm the driver for Northport High School. I'm a senior this year. This was a very cool, very interesting new look at everything. It was fun to get a new event in here at TSA because my 4 years we've really never entered a new event. So for us to say that we started a new event, that this class started a new event, nice ring to it. Especially
nice.
Our group was the first better ring. We were the first ones to fly.
That's it.
So it's pretty nice to say.
That's it. Breaking the mold.
Yeah, you gotta break.
In the generation.
Oh yeah, it's really nice to see. So it's nice to see new stuff
too.
Yeah, we finished third place out of
killed it.
We got 15 points. Second place got 45 points, which was Stopy,
Nice.
and but there's no points for the overall winner. So
Yeah,
it's a cool learning event.
Exactly. Man, thank you.
Oh.
You killed it out here, man.
Oh yeah, it's pretty cool.
So this is your last year in
This is my last year. I will be becoming an alumni, and I'll be back.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah,
Now you can usher in the next generation.
Oh yeah.
Come back when you're all aeronautical engineered up and all that fun
Oh yeah,
stuff.
I'm gonna be going into computer science at USF.
Okay, right on. So you'll be the one coding.
Yeah, so I'll be the one
Yeah,
coding them.
that's right.
Oh yeah.
That's right. All the new goodies.
Oh, yeah.
Basically. Gonna fly it with your brain.
Yeah, oh yeah. Just look and say, just fly that way.
Yeah.
Oh, that'd be nice compared to what we're flying now.
Right?
It's really nice. It's really nice. It's pretty cool, especially a Mavic flying around above our heads.
Right? Just up there chilling out.
Oh yeah.
We gotta trust him a little bit.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Let's get up there. Here he goes. Hey, look at that little Lumenier tent there. Oh, it's all.
Oh, do I need to go pull that down and get
Yeah,
it?
we'll get it. Oh yeah. Look at that little guy up there. Hey, look who I found. Look who we found, guys. Where'd he go? Hey,
There it goes. Oh, that's a
Yoink.
great shot of my lower half.
There he is. Look at this guy. Just doesn't get more stuff than that, huh? Look at him. Hey, come on. Just a little bit about, I saw you helping some people getting on the sim with their quads changing. How was the day for you?
Someone lost the lower bearing of their motor. Bearings in my backpack.
Nice.
It survived. It flew. Wasn't right, but it flew.
That's
Let's see. Another person, they wanted to switch their camera from the top to the bottom. Someone else was having some radio expo issues, so they kept hitting the ceiling because they're doing that with the throttle. Knock that down to 60%.
Call that the whiskey throttle, right?
0%.
That's it. Hey.
Did you forget to invert it? Or?
Yes, when it's inverted on the other one, dang it.
Dang it. Yeah.
We're failing. That's okay.
Helped a lot of people. Then got told that I shouldn't have been helping them. Turns out, since I'm not on the student team drones, but trust me, I've touched every single one here.
That's right.
Sorry.
He's talking about the drones. Had to make the joke. So I'm kind of glad the service is keeping up a little bit now.
better than the upstairs part.
Yeah. Ooh. Ooh, what you got? Ooh, stealing my protein bars. Look at him. All right, so who wants to fly the course? I think it's time for somebody to fly the course. What do you guys think? For those of you just tuning in, by the way, today's code is going to be POPO. So that's going to be 10% off site-wide, no minimum. There is going to be a restriction on HDOs, though. Again, of course, sorry guys, Fat Shark doesn't like us doing any sales on that type of a discount anyway. They always write us a nice message. It's not nice. So nice. We might end up picking up and going and doing some flying elsewhere as well. But guys, this TSA event is something amazing, cool. And you know, we've been 8 o'clock this morning. Yeah, it's TV or myself, James McKinnis, Da Vinci. I know what you guys are up to. And next week, we may be down in Miami doing a little something with MultiGP. If you guys didn't know, GetFPV and MultiGP are to bring you guys all kinds of really cool promos. And we're also building a site right now. Basically, anybody that logs in, all they have to do is put in their MultiGP registration. They're going to get a discount rate. So that's something real right now. So you'll be able to see everything on their Facebook, our Facebook. We're going to be announcing it a lot this week and rolling out all of those new fun features. Some cool new products came in this week as well. The new V2 of the Furious cable. I know that's one that I had to get. Car right now, I can't show it. But basically, you can just not have the battery on your head. For me, I don't like it. I get a little bit of a leak here on the side when I got a big old pack up there. You know, I can just put like a 3000 next to me in my chair and just fly. Really smart thing for 25 bucks, something like that, and you can fly all day on whatever packs you got, guys. That's it's pretty awesome. Use code POPO on that as well. Save a little bit of change. Go help and break down here soon, but I'd rather sit and talk to you guys for a little bit. I want to know on Facebook what you guys are doing this week. And also let us know if you guys like seeing this live stream on Facebook or YouTube. Let me know if it's, you know, hard for you guys and stuff. And exactly doing, I figure on the OBS, kind of streaming it, using different clips and whatnot. I'd rather go live and then have, you know, some really cool videos and stuff posted later for this one as well. Let's see. Man, that was, yeah, where did it all go? Fukushima, TSA done. But, all right, guys, for now, I think we're just going to go ahead and sign off. Today's going to be a little shorter one. Again, for the code today, POPO. Code POPO. You already know. And by the way, go check the daily deals. Every day this month, we're going to have a new POPO-related product in there on a deep discount. We're also going to have the T-Motor F60 at a $19.99 right now. So that one's going to be stupid cheap. And all POPOs this month, like I said, are going to be on sale. Get out of these guys' way. People working. And 1 year anniversary, guys. So you already know. If you don't know, you need to know, and you need to try it. But I get it. You know, new stuff, might not trust it. I was kind of the same way in the beginning when I first tried it, but it changed. You know, once you hit that strap on where, you know, you would have had a prop nut come loose and yeah, none of that crap with the POPO. The only thing I've ever done is I've actually exploded a whole prop, but I also bent the motor and smashed a GoPro at the same time, so I don't think that counts. But I'm just just kind of pacing right now and talking to you guys, but we're going to go ahead and so thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in a little bit. I'll probably be going live again from somewhere else, so we'll see what's